role of data scientist is strongly driven by the three C's: curiosity, common sense, and communication skills. Intellectual curiosity can be defined as the desire to acquire more knowledge. As a data scientist, you need to be able to ask questions about data because you would spend about 80% of your time discovering and preparing data. Well, curiosity and data go hand in hand. Data scientists should be inquisitive. They must be continuously exploring, asking questions, doing what if analysis, questioning existing assumptions and processes. They should always be learning and thinking about what new technologies are out there that will help them become more efficient and help the business succeed. When you are more curious, you will drive the search for answers, dive deeper than surface results and initial assumptions. Think creatively with the drive to know more and constantly ask why, because one answer is usually not enough. Some of the ways to enhance your curiosity could be: enter with a clear mind. Do not assume that you know how everything works. Pretend you are a child. Ask questions. And I couldn't emphasize it enough. It is not necessarily about asking the right questions. Even little, seemingly obvious questions can lead to bigger, revealing questions. Self learning, teaching, and allowing for others to teach you is a highly rewarding activity whose gifts will reveal themselves to you in time. Get uncomfortable. Think hard about the ideas and activities that you have never done before and try them out. A curious data scientist is an asset to the organization as they bring fresh ideas and perspectives on the table. Try the above ideas and results might surprise you. As rightly said, while there are a lot of great tools available, there is no substitute for thinking.